Hello, everyone. This is John Byrne with Poets and Quants. Welcome to our spotlight on business at Rice University. I want to tell you about the school in Houston, Texas, that you may have overlooked and shouldn't. Number one, the school boasts an incredibly collaborative community with global connections. It's a close-knit environment where faculty and peers know you by name and have your back. And yet you have access to an incredible alumni network of over 80,000 professionals worldwide. It's a place where you have the opportunity for growth through collaboration, not competition, and personalized leadership coaching. The second thing you need to know about Rice is its position in entrepreneurship learning. It's consistently ranked in the top 5 for entrepreneurship in the world. It's one of the only schools with an entrepreneurship specialization. There are over 35 entrepreneurship courses and labs at Rice, and more than 30 entrepreneurship-related events, including the world's largest and richest student business plan competition. The other thing to know about Rice is its location puts it in a great place to be at the center of our energy transition. Houston is a global energy capital with access to Houston's thriving energy ecosystem. The faculty and alumni lead in areas like renewable energy, sustainability, and energy policy. So you have the opportunity to connect with industry leaders at major conferences, including Rice's own Energy Finance Summit. And then finally, studying in Houston is a great place to be. It's the second largest concentration of Fortune 500 companies in the US. You have great weather, year-round sunshine, and it's a dynamic art scene with diverse cultures and world-class food. It's a great place to spend a couple of years. That's our spotlight on business at Rice University. This is John Byrne with Poets and Quants. Thanks for watching.